This kata is called is it a number? The task is loud and clear. We have to write a function that will return true if we are dealing with a single integer or floating number, and false if we are not dealing with one. Well, let's go. Here at the top, I have some examples that has to return true, and here at the bottom, I have some examples that has to return false. So what we can use is the following. We have a built-in function float, which takes in the string as an argument, and it converts the string immediately. And let's take this one. This returns an error. Value error. This is important. Could not convert string to float because of the white spaces probably. However, if there are white spaces at the front and at the end, it will be stripped away. So this returns a float. No problem. And when we are dealing with a negative operator and a decimal point, it is also convertible. So I guess we have to use this function right here. But this value errors, we have to handle that. Else we have a problem. So we use a try except block as follows. First we use the keyword try, then a colon, and then we get back to the float function that we try to use to convert our string to a float. If this is actually possible, we return true right away, except, and there we get again, we encounter a value error. In such a case, we return false to handle that. If it's not convertible, we should return false, right? That's the task. So this is true. And let's take this one with the dash. It's not convertible, it throws this value error. And with this except block here, we should get false back. Well, seems to work out. Attempt. And there we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. Well, thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.